That's it. Yeah. We're out doing our flipping ribs and looking, you know.
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty easy.
Cool. And put the packer in and then chink around it. It slows that water flow down. So when you put the chemicals in there, instead of it washing out, it'll start to expand and give it enough time to start to fill in and react and slow the water down. So then as you can see what he's doing in there now, he's got the balloon on the end of the mixer, and then he's got it chinked around to slow a little bit of the water down. That's just enough to get it so that the chemical, when it starts to react, it'll still come out with that water and draw the water out. So then the balloon went off.
Big void bagger.
There is, isn't there?
Yeah.
It's been running for a while. I'm sure it's washed everything out. And that's a 900 psi compression strength foam. So it's a pretty strong foam. You could stand on a block of that stuff.
Okay, we're done.
Here. Grab that real quick.